Good morning, student. You are in standard 1 and I am going to teach you English. Before we start teaching English, I have to say to the parents, that's important because most of the students are unable to read English perfectly, English textbook. They are quite unknown about what is course book, what is activity book, and also about workbook. Three books are here. Three books are here for past session for 6 months, and the rest volume 2 for the rest 6 months. So, in course book volume 1, I am going to teach the first chapter titles. It's my advice and request all the parents. They may be careful about their teaching at home, because nobody is there to guide them. No teachers are there. No teachers are there to guide them, because our school is closed and they are unable to attend the classes due to pandemic situations of corona virus. Dear parents, it is an important thing to remember you that you must have to learn the process, and by which you will be able to advise your kid to teach at home. Here the past chapter titles. Before you start teaching towards your kid, better you may convince them what are turtles, have they ever seen it, and where. They must have to learn about this. If I'll ask you, have you seen turtles? Your answer will be positively yes. I have seen it. Where? In the sea, or in the ocean, or in the pond, or in the lake. Kachwa. That's turtles means tortoise or kachwa. Here is the poem for you, and you must have to read it perfectly with real pronunciation. The first chapter is here, turtles. Turtle means tortoise, or they may be all known about that kachwa. You can see it in the sea, pond, or lake, and also in sanctuary in Gahir Matha, that's famous in Odisha. Gahir Matha sanctuary, for it is famous for turtles. There are so many turtles, and you have to tell about the story to our kid, that's here and the turtles. They may be well known about the story. खरगोश और कछुआ का कहानी वो सबको मालूम है. You must have to tell before you start this topic. It's a poem. Turtles, here is the topics for you. I read this start well, and I must have to tell them to read at home, and you also guide them to read perfectly. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are two. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are two. Two baby turtles crawl down to the tree, they find another, and then there are three. Three baby turtles move along the shore, they find another, and then there are four. Four baby turtles go for a dive, up swims another, and then there are five. Here is the question, and there may be arise some questions in their mind. Mama or Papa or Sir? Oh, how many turtles are there in the picture? There are five turtles in the picture. All these words are difficult for them, so you must have to tell, to write and remember these difficult words, and may be possible to write twice or thrice at home, and they may be practiced in their copy. Maybe difficult words for them. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. Alone, A-L-O-N-E, alone. True, T-R-U-E, true. Find, F-I-N-D. All these words difficult for them, because they are in standard one. And you have to teach them about these words which is difficult for them. So you must have to write these words like this, not like this here. Suppose shore is H-O-R-E. Maybe write, they may be write 3 or 4 times, and then they will able to learn this spelling. Okay, dear parents, they may be well known about the particular words given here. All these difficult words you may write like this, and give them chance to write 3 times or 4 times in their copy. That's she, shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore. Then dive, another, swims. All these are difficult words for them. You may be careful about it and give your children the real information. That they may be able to learn these words perfectly, and they may be well known about the pronunciations of these words. Again, I will repeat the same chapter for them, and you may note it perfectly. Turtles. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are 2. 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another, and then there are 3. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are 4. 4 baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, and then there are 5. Here so many things for a child. What are they? They may be now about the plural forms. Plural form means one and many, or one and more than once. One and more than once. They have already learned in UKG. That's boy, boys. Adding ish, they may be make it plural. Boy, boys. One boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, or many boys. Cat. 1 cat, 2 cats. Adding is that make it plural, or it means more than once or many. Here turtle, turtles. Turtle, turtles. Turtle means 1 turtle. Here in the first line, 1 baby turtle, alone and true. Alone means akela. Nobody is present with it. Okay, इसके साथ कोई नहीं था, इसलिए 1 turtle. When it finds a friend, that's it become 2. That is numbers is increased and it's become 2. Here 1 tortoise and 2 tortoise. So adding is we have to make it plural or many. So here turtle, turtles. I also give you some examples for them, and you maybe practice them at home. Apple, here apples. In second page, there may be now about turtle, turtles, friend, friends, boss. Here is difference, adding es. That's bosses. Box, boxes. Apple, apples. Cow, cows. Pen, pens. Rat, rats. Brush, brushes. Mango, mangoes. Here they may be all about that only add yes or yes, we have to make it plural. Adding yes or yes. So many words are there in their workbook and activity books. I have also given them some tasks to do at home in their holiday copies. Learn this. You must have to practice these plural forms. Here are so many words for you. Turtle, turtles, friend, friends, cow, cows, apple, apples, fin, pants, rat, rats, boss, boss, box, boxes. All these words are given here, and you may be practice at home. And dear parents, you may be advised to your kids to practice at home. Another important thing is missing letters. Suppose here are difficult words for them and they may be practiced. How is it possible? If you give them the missing letters and put it in the words, and they may be corrected properly, then they will be thorough about the words, what is difficult for them. Okay. Suppose started. Two blanks are missing. Two blanks are here, and they may be put the real words to make it turtle. They may be spell it turtle, Turtle, Turtle. That's L and U are the missing letters for them. If they learn about it, then they can write the words perfectly. So here are some difficult words and new words for them. What are also given in their holiday homework. Watermelon. They may be paid and write the letters perfectly. And you also have to give them new words to remember. And another important thing, there's a rhyming word. Here we can find a pair of words which is rhyming words. That is known as rhyming words. What is a rhyming word? There may be one about it. What is rhyming? In Odia, reading, or in it will be too difficult for them. That's Jati Pata in 9th or 10th, or it may be more classes are there. But you, the parents, learn about Jati Pata for last occur, sister, sorry, Oda, Jemdi, like an example, that's true and two. Took book, ऐसे जो लास्ट लेटर होता है वो सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन और साउंड इसका सेम होता है, इसको हम राइमिंग वर्ड कहते हैं. इट इज़ नोन एज राइमिंग वर्ड. हियर इज a pair of rhyming words, true and two, she, three, so, four, die, five. All these are rhyming words. Also, they may be advised to learn what is rhyming words, and here they can find it. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are two. Here, true and two, she and three, soar and four, dive and five. All these are rhyming words. In this chapter, first of thing they may be learn one and many, or one and more than one, or plural form. Difficult words, missing letters, rhyming words, and reading. If they will read their books perfectly, then they can understand the half of the text better. So reading is important for them, and your parents, you must have to guide to the student or your kids at home, by which they will be able and perfect in future after when they will come to school to learn. They are well acquainted with their topics. Again, I also repeat it about the past chapter of the volume 1 or course book. That's volume 1. Volume 1 is your class 1 course book and activity book and practice book. 3 books are there. and it's for coming 6 months. After completion of this book, then we will start the new books set, that's volume 2. Here, this is the first chapter, the title, and they may be learn about the difficult words, reading and rhyming words, then plural forms, and then question answer. Just now come to the question and answer. There is no questions for the children, but in their workbook you can also find some questions. Here difficult words are there, and they may be put the missing letters or vowels, and from they may be arranged in alphabetical order. Just I'll tell you what is alphabetical order. And here are some questions about turtles. Did you enjoy the poem? Have you ever seen a turtle? What did you like the most in this poem? And what did the two baby turtles do? It's related to the question, related to the books. Did the three turtles swim in the sea? How did the 4 turtles go into the sea again? And where were all the 5 turtles finally? Here are a few questions are there, and you may be answerable, and you may be practice at home, because all answers are here in your Xerox copy, what are all written in your holiday homework. Okay, I'll tell you about alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? What is alphabetical order? I think you in UKG you have to read about it, but you are not remember. So I'll tell you it's again alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means ABC order. ABC order means what? Have you ever seen a dictionary? If you have a dictionary, better learn through it, or dear parents, better may tell them about dictionary and show them all the dictionary, that they may be thorough about what is ABC order. If here are some words like this: book, ant, dog, cat, goat, fish, egg. How can what is this words in ABC order or in alphabetical order? First letter that begins with A, ant. Then A के बाद B. After A, the letter A comes to B. B for yearbook. Then C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. A for fish. G for goat. Here, that's known as alphabetical order. If the examples like this: ant, ass, arrow, apple, if. All these words begin with A. How can you arrange it in alphabetical order? It is difficult for, it will be too difficult for you because you are in standard 1. But please, dear parents, tell your kid they maybe utilize their wit and intellect, by which they can able to write it perfectly. Dear parents, here is first letter A. फर्स्ट लेटर ऐसे आना चाहिए: आंट, आस, एरो, एप्पल, एफ. एक के बाद एन, एक के बाद एस, एक के बाद आर, एक के बाद पी, एक के बाद पी. सो आई थिंक पहले उसे गिनती करना है क्या लेटर क्या है: ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू बी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड. So it will be too difficult. If they will practice First, they may be right in their rough copy. It will be easy for them to rearrange it or arrange it properly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Because they can't remember all these words, and what letter comes after another, it will be too difficult for them because they are in standard 1 student. So they can get like this, questions like this, but in higher classes and they learn, they can't get such type of questions. फिर भी इसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी लेना चाहिए. And dear parents, you must have to advise them to learn this pattern. Here A, N, T, ये फर्स्ट लेटर comes N, इसके बाद P आता है, तो A, P है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. A, R इसके बाद आता है. So if you arrange all these words, first letter like this here, A, N, T, aunt. Because A के बाद N तो फर्स्ट लेटर है, उसके बाद जो भी लेटर आता है यहाँ, ठीक है, aunt. Then N के बाद क्या होता है, वो P आता है. तो पहला उसके बाद फर्स्ट लेटर ए के पास पी कहाँ है, ये एप्पल एंड एप, ए पी पी ए पी ई, तो ए होना चाहिए क्योंकि ए के बाद पी है, इसके बाद पी है, इसके पहले ई है. शो एप, हियर बी एफ, देन एप्पल, देन आस एंड आरो, पी क्यू आर इसके बाद आता है. तो पी क्यू आर, इसके बाद एस, तो आर का लेटर पहले आना चाहिए, आर ओ, ए आर आर ओ डब्ल्यू, देन आश. Okay, it's difficult for them because they can get only this type of questions in their book, so don't worry about it. Only they can, if it is possible, then may advise to learn this about this process. But they can get such type of courses and they may be able to write it perfectly. Here is a task for it. Them are in the following words in alphabetical order. First they may be choose A. That's O. Oh, that's arrow. First you may write here arrow. Then B के बाद ball, then C for coach, D for जो भी है इसको choose करके लिखना. And there may be also advice to read the missing vowels and put it in the gaps. Again, an important thing I'm going to tell you that vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. We are all learn about that the letters in English. Letters in English. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Like Odia Varnamala. In English, we have there are also Varnamala that's known as alphabet. In Odia, that's known as Swaravarna and Vyanjana Varna. Ova, Horse, Dirghe, there's Swaravarna and the rest from Ka to onwards known as Vyanjana Varna. In English, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Among 26 letters, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. And with the help of these letters, you have to make words. With the help of these letters, we have to make words. Without these 5 letters, help of these 5 letters, we can't make words. We can't make words without the help of A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels. Then what are vowels? 5 letters of the alphabet A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. And what are consonants? The rest 21 letters except vowels A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. And this is your first chapter, and you are well learned about what is consonants and vowels, how many letters are in English. And also now that there are two types of letters, that capital and small, that you are well known in previous classes or our classes. So this is your first chapter, titles. And regarding this chapter, I have to say that you have to learn difficult words positively. Adding yes or yes, you have to make more than once or many, one or many, or noun about plural form or singular to plural form. And rhyming words, difficult words as far as possible. Read the chapter thoroughly, that's important. So be careful, my dear parents, while you are going to teach your kid, you may give importance and learn also the process by which you have no need of tutors at home. So if you have doubt, better may share your feelings and laugh with me, and just you have to tender your kid at home, laugh to them, and nowadays very nicely. Thank you all, my dear parents. If you have doubt, better may share your difficulties with me to my phone number. My phone number that's you are already given in the diary or in the receipt. Further, I'll report about it, that 95 832 84725, or better may ask to your English teacher through WhatsApp by chat with them. We have connected your WhatsApp number and given to our subject teacher or concerned teachers. Better they may be contact you after this class. I'll take your 2 or 3 classes through YouTube, and better you may upload it through YouTube and know about our learning process. Then better may contact to the subject teacher or concerned teacher through WhatsApp. Thank you.